Let us start the day. We're gonna get a wash later. Actually, the other day, ayaw to umandar kasi tagal siya nakatenga. Okay, first stop, Sarsa. Here at Sarsa, magsa-spot check lang tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung kamusta na yung mga kabagay-bagay. And actually, gusto ko tikman yung mga pagkain kung, you know, on point pa. Pero I do trust our team. It's just that it's my job to check as well. Alcohol spray from... Uy, nahulog yung sombrero. Gordon Miller. Yeah. Hello. Uy. Hello, 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 hello. Wow. Pumayat ka. Oh.
I don't know if remember, we were friends on Facebook. Friends ako nila RJ lang.
Ah, okay. Yan po Q. Adobong pusit.
Any food other
Yung sisig. Sisig.
Yes.
Gusto okay ka sa sisig. Yan. Yung naka-black. Si Mommy Jane Buen Camino. So, before, ito ikwento ko sa inyo yung backstory. Before, nung nag-MasterChef ako, kasama ko sila Juday and sila Chef Fernando. Wala akong kaalam-alam at that time, you know, locked from Bacolod, rookie, zero experience. Anyways, fast forward. So, nagbulong ako kay Juday. Judes, meron akong first ever endorsement ko. That time, Lord. Sabi niya, JT, kailangan mo ng manager. May manager ka ba? Sabi ko, wala. Kailangan mo ng manager. Ito, si Jay. Yun yung naka-block. So imagine, that was like 20 years ago. And the last time I saw her was maybe 5-6 years ago kasi she's based na in New Zealand. And wala, it's so nice to see her. And she's still the same. I'm still the same. And we picked up from where we left. The food was good, actually. Hindi na ako sabi ko magsa-spot check pa ako. I-document ko pa sana yung pag-spot check ko. Kaso lang, you know, parang nagkukwentuhan, parang pangit naman nagpa-vlog ka. But, meron ako mga comments that I will tell the staff. But so far, so good, It's good. The sisig was good. The adobo pusit was good. Well-balanced yung flavor. Anyway, it's hard to relate kasi hindi nyo makikita yung visual. Sayang hindi ko na videoan. Pero, you know. Meron tayong pupuntahan na Japanese restaurant na sobrang institution na talaga. And for the longest time, they were in Salcedo Village. And now, they moved to a new location here in Ayala Triangle. Ito ba siya? It's called, I know, sa mga may alam nyo to. It's called Chumura. It's one of the best Japanese restaurants in town, in my humble opinion. And I'm so happy they have a new home. Oh, nice. Oh, wow, lucky. Laki. May reservation under Mia. Para kang nasa Japan. High ceiling, tapos may mga private rooms, may bar. Uy, may Japanese chef. Tapos reserve lahat on a weekday. Saan tayo? Hi. Hello. Ang ganda ng lugar nyo, Grabe, laki, no? Talaga? Hello. Hi. Are you guys are in my vlog? Okay lang?
Oh, sure.
Hello, kamusta?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Carol. Hi, Mia. Nice to meet you. Hello.
Wow. So, hindi kayo free?
So, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na nandito ako sa Pilipinas dahil may gagawin ako. So, ito yung sila ang nagpa-uwi sa akin dito. So, ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Carol Magpantay. I'm the head of sales of Ayala Land Premier.
And yung asawa nyo ay?
Ay, si Alvin Magpantay.
Naabutan nyo pa ba yan? Tanduay de la Salle? Mia?
Hi, I'm Mia Wikoko. I'm the training manager for Ayala Land Premier.
Yan. And sir?
Hello, I'm Enrico Libunao. I am the sales development for Ayala Land Premier. Hello, guys.
Oh, wow. And I'm JP, the chef. That got invited here. Grabe, no? What a, di ba? Junket. And we're here at Chimura. So may backstory ako sa Chimura. Actually, dapat dalhin ko dito yung... Nung nililigawan ko pala yung asawa ko, dapat dalhin ko siya dito. Sa Chimura. Doon sa Old Branch. Naunahan na ako ng isang nagliligaw sa kanya.
Wow!
Kaya ouchie. Dito na tayo sa car wash. Tapos na ang ating meeting with the top management of Ayala. We were discussing about the talk that's happening in a couple of days, which I'm preparing for. Hindi na rin ako nakapagbigay ng feedback sa food kasi medyo malalim and medyo seryoso yung usapan and medyo out of place to mix the vlogging part and the meeting. But overall, the food was good, was really good. Same pa rin 25 years ago. Ganun pa rin yung lasa niya. Quality still there. Yung nag-iba lang is yung itsura, yung ambience. Mas maganda talaga ngayon. Kita nyo naman mas malawak, mas maraming private rooms, and maganda yung view kasi overlooking. It's on the 5th floor. Okay? I know maraming nagreklamo na hindi ako nagbibigay ng description or kung saan man. Chimura, Ayala Triangle, 5th floor. Best to make a reservation because kanina napansin nyo, even on a weekday, it gets full. And also, the best time to have your car wash is at night because wala masyadong pila and wala. Mas tahimik ang area. This is called Freaky Fresh. Dito sa... Anong street nga to, Katipunan? Kalayaan. Kalayaan pala. Ano nga ang street yan? Yung Freaky Fresh, maraming branches na rin to. Ito yung pinakamalapit sa bahay ko, so dito ako pumupunta. So, bear with me guys. Magkakaroon tayo ng katas ng vlog na to. Naghahanap lang ako ng... Doon na sana sa Sarsa, isa. Doon na rin sana sa Chimura. Kaso lang yun nga. Pero, hintayin natin. Baka may mabuo tayo. Kanina pa kayo nag-start? Anong oras kayo nag-start dito? Ng umaga? Grabe. Anong oras na ngayon? Alas 12? Tapos bukas, anong oras kayo mag-start? Oh? Grabe. Saan kayo natutulog? Diyan po. Pero ako po sipag Ano ba yung kinakanta nyo dito pag pagod na?
Alam mo ba, girl? Wala ka sa promise ako, concern.
Ayan. Ano ba? Yun lang?
Kaya nag-reply, di mo pa ako ma-order. Hey, mag-release ko naman ng bagong kanta mo ulit. Miss ko na boses mo.
Ano pangalan mo, sir? Ano pangalan mo?
Elvin mo, Elvin.
Elvin. Tapos di ba marunong ka mag-rap?
Rondy lang, sir.
Sample. Isang kanta lang. Ayan.
Aba ulit. Ito po kulog lang.
Oh, dito hindi pwede.
Pwede naman po dito kasi kulog na.
Sige nga.
Parang nag...
Ito si MC. Ay, magaling pala mag-rap. MC, no? MJ. MJ. Ito si MJ. Magaling pala mag-rap. Pinarinig niya kanina sa akin yung mga kanta niya, nasa Spotify, maganda. Tapos yung ginawa natin, sinend natin kanila. Yun natin sinend.
Kay Bobby po. Sa sponsor ni Bobby.
Producer niya si
Producer
Doug.
po. Producer ni Bobby.
Doug,
Sir
baka
Doug.
naman. Pinadala ko na Doug sa'yo yung playlist niya. Pero, mas maganda pag may sample ng konti. Kasi ako nagsasalita lang ako. Baka hindi kayo mani. Kanina pa ako, di ba? Kanina pa ako sa inyo nag-i-explain sa kinakain ko. Tapos wala naman akong proof. Pero alam mo, pag nahiya ka, wala, mahuhuli ka. Mahuhuli ka, wala kang makuha pag... Oh, go.
Nakangiti, nag-iisip pa ng tula, di makubili. Tumaharin ng tuwing.
Bigay mo pa!
Natutok ako sir eh.
Ayan. Sige lang. Pero huwag ka sumuko Huwag ka sumuko
Iya, nagpapalitan ng tapik na parang mataya-taya. Pasukay mundo ko, ika'y pag-iingatan. Dito walang gulo, puro kapayapaan. Pagmamahal ko na parang kalikasan. Ako'y siyong-sayo, ikaw ang aking kayamanan.
Ayan, simula pa lang yan Good night sa inyo.
Thank you po, thank you.
Okay.
Next time.
Bye-bye. We are here at one of the coolest, one of the coolest and most elevated Filipino restaurant in Manila. It's called Toyo. Hello. Hello. All right, take two to Hi. Ganda ng. I like the outfit. Are you sure you're FOH?
Yeah, FOH.
But you're a DJ as well.
Yes.
YOLO.
Yes, a band.
And wow, what a bar. Okay. Hello, kumusta? Ayos ito naman iba naman yung vibe niya. Mangsasaka naman.
Iba talaga yung vibe.
Okay. Ikaw, ito. From Tokyo naman to. What's your look?
It's chill, casual.
Yeah. Oh, wow. What's this?
Pinalabos.
So chilled yan.
Chill, yeah.
And
our hot kitchen, grill side, saute, chef.
hello. How are you guys? Hey.
The chefs from the cold room, everybody.
Hi, hello. Hi.
Gusto si Chef Kim.
Oh.
Kim Yumol.
Oh, kasama ko siya.
Nandun siya ngayon?
Hindi, magdi-dinner kami sa kabila. Yeah. Okay.
Thanks for bringing us a visit.
Oh, thanks again. What's your name? Seth, thank you.
And curator.
Yes. Tama. First of all, I just want to say their plants are really nice. So yeah, this is the 12-seater, no? Tama. Or 13.
For the counter, maximum of 9. Sa private room naman is 6. So total of 15 for
Okay.
the whole restaurant.
So ito yung...
Doorbell mo siya.
Ito yung... Ay, oo.
Para po na experience.
Oo.
Magulat.
Sige. Kung nga rin magulat ka. So ito yung alter ego ni Toyo or ni sister restaurant ni Toyo, which is called Inato. Ay, may sumagot. Oy, hello ate! Oh, wow.
Screen po.
Sobrang akong excited. But gusto, dito na lang sa dulo, okay na? Or hindi, dito. No, I'm eating with my chef, si Kim. Okay. Chef ko sa Sarsa. So, he's late. Pero I won't start yet. I'll wait for him. Yeah. How long has this been open?
A little over a year. December.
Okay. So it's a 5th adult. This one sits how many? 9. Oh. Grilling in a small space. Pero kailangan matinding-matindi lang talaga yung exhaust mo. And ito na yung pinaka-organized na setup nakita ko. So next, magluto tayo sa bahay. Small plates.
Yeah, anything that's fried.
Fried sa loob. And then, yung tray na yan, that's where you... yan, dyan lahat.
That's one for
On the sweeter side, very tropical as well. So it has lemon from Tuglay Benguet, some dalandan, and some pineapple.
Okay.
Very pronounced.
Basta.
Bring out familiar Filipino flavors. And just to start, we have a trio of crusts, I would say. These are Mulaklak, which we're actually getting from Bacolod, Zambales, and that's where my dad is from naman. And this one we boiled 6 times to get those clean flavors, fried twice for the extra crispy bite, a rich pork sauce, and then spiced coconut vinegar. Also, para lang ma-balance out lahat ng sila. So, you can enjoy this however you want to, not more rules or any order whatsoever. Feel free lang.
Grabe, 3 araw na. Grabe. Sobrang taas. Grabe. Ang sarap. Grabe naman. Hindi ko alam. Tawag kasi yung team nila is bahala na eh. Grabe. Scallops eh. Hokkaido scallops.
Next up, this is our Atlantic Black Hearts. We're getting this one from the US. And since gusto natin ng parang nice contrast, it's a rich flavor and texture, we fried it in a light batter. But the winner for this one actually is yung sauce. Para sa akin. So we have 2. First one, it's a fruit. Tawag sa kanya tamarillo. Same family ni tomato, medyo mas rich at tart lang yung parang pagka-sourness niya. And that one we're getting from Bauco Mountain Province.
Sabi ni Paolo is the best part.
Okay.
Sabi ni Erwan.
Papa,
Sabi ni Erwan, the best part.
ni Papa E.
Obviously, it's gonna come with a few things. Parang never one ulam lang.
Right.
Sa table natin. Parang dami nangyayari lagi. Nalala ko before, even when in our family, lolo ko, sila laging daming ulam. We try to bring that here. So, nag-uwi ulam rin tayong isda. Tawag sa kanya asokos.
We're getting Rosella from Abra and then Masa Flora from the High Mountain Province. Yung Masa Flora is somewhat like
ASMR.
Okay. Parang
Pinakaulam natin is ang ating very comforting burger steak. But what makes this one special nga is we're using 100% Iberico pork. And the 3 cuts na ginamit natin are the most prized cuts pagdating sa mundo ng Iberico, namely the Presa, the Pluma, and the Secreto. Which is
tapos may sarong sa baba. Grabe yung gravy. Laking bagay yung egg yolk. So would you say yung thickening agent mo, yung taro, the gravy mo?
For health reasons. Pero ginagawa yun usually yung nagpapapay. Pero nag-appeal eh, di ba? You wanted to eat 4 or 5 or 6.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you.
Good luck tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Saan kayo ha?
Bro, thank you ah. Thank you. So, tumawid na tayo dito sa Toyo. And then, we're on the 2nd floor. There's 2 function rooms and Okay, this is their pantry. That's air conditioned, right? And this door is...
Hey, chef.
So this is a barangay hall.
Barangay hall.
So ito ba yung tinatawag ninyong staff quarters?
Well,
or staff?
Where we hang out, where we gym. Kasi nga F&B is life. So sometimes meron din kaming sleeping bags. Meron kaming honesty store dito.
Honesty store. Ang cute.
May prices and everything.
Oh.
Tindahan ni Aling Sheila.
You can pay by a Gcash.
Oh my God, ang kulit.
People wanna work out, we have board games and...
Okay. Ay.
Butuhan.
Saan yung HR? Pwede mag-apply?
Kasi di mo ni Aling Collab.
Yeah.
Saan? Ooh.
And actually, if you head downstairs, it leads to Inato already, so everything's interconnected.
Right.
Wow. May shower room.
Actually, before we would have our staff meetings here, but then we grew to 50, so we have it downstairs already. Call it the attic. So lahat ng R&D, usually this is where we have it.
You guys are not messing around. This is the most intense ecosystem I've ever seen in the Philippines. Grabe. They're not fucking around at all.